In 2004, China initiated the Lunar Exploration Mission and started the research and development of the Chang'e lunar probe. In February 2019, Chinese President Xi Jinping met representatives of space scientists and engineers who participated in the research and development of the Chang'e 4 mission at the Great Hall of the People in Beijing. He pointed out that the Chang'e 4 mission, by adhering to independent, collaborative and open innovations, has realized the first ever patrol and exploration on the far side of the moon by a human spacecraft, and engraved Chinese footprints there for the first time. Xi said it is another vivid practice of exploring to establish a new institution that can pool the resources of the whole country. In 2013, the Chang'e 3 lunar probe completed China's first soft landing on the lunar surface. Then there were heated discussions about where its successor, the Chang'e 4 lunar probe, was going to explore.
经过很多科学家、工程技术人员仔细斟酌，这抱着种一个是探索未知，一个是争取能够给人类做更大贡献的这么一个心态啊，我们来讨论我们嫦娥4号能不能在月球背面进行着陆。
Going to the far side of the moon sounded like a mission impossible to many people. Due to the equal rotation and revolution periods of the moon, as well as the tidal locking effect, the far side of the moon always faces away from Earth. Because of this, any human spacecraft on the far side of the moon cannot send or receive data directly from Earth. To solve this problem, scientists and researchers decided to build a bridge of data communication between the Earth and the Moon.
在第一月拉上2点来布置一个中继星，因为它是在月球附近，离地球很远，因此呢，它的温度很低，所以这个中继星一个是抗低温，就是说我们在-235度的情况下，6个小时降落阳光的情况下，它能够正常工作。
After countless experiments, breakthroughs on technical bottlenecks of the relay satellite were achieved. In May 2018, the relay satellite, named Chao, was successfully launched. The Chang'e 4 probe's journey to the far side of the moon became less impossible as a result. A Long March 3B rocket, carrying the Chang'e 4 lunar probe, blasted off from the southwest China's Xichang at 2:23 a.m. on December 8, 2018. On January 3, 2019, Chang'e 4 successfully landed in the Van Karnen crater in the South Pole Aitken Basin on the far side of the moon after 26 days of flight, traveling some 380,000 kilometers. Soon, Chang'e 4 sent back the first photo of the moon's far side captured by a human spacecraft. With the assistance of the relay satellites Chao, the rover Yutu-2 and the lander of the Chang'e 4 probe took photos of each other. China announced days later that the Chang'e 4 mission was a complete success. On November 24, 2020, China launched the Chang'e 5 spacecraft, carried by a Long March 5 rocket, to collect and return samples from the moon. Chang'e 5 is one of the most complicated and challenging missions in China's aerospace history.
因为首先你得奔月成功，得绕月成功，得入月成功，还得这个表取和转取机构都得工作正常，样品封装也正常，还得从月面起飞成功，还得在月球轨道交会对接成功，还得月地返回成功。这每一步成功以后，才能把样品容器交到我们科学家手里。
The Chang'e 5 mission is expected to last more than 20 days. The Chang'e 5 probe is to become the first of the Chang'e family to return back to Earth.
太空探索永无止境， 希望广大科技工作者、航天工作者为实现探月工程总目标乘胜前进，为推动世界航天事业发展继续努力，为人类和平利用太空、推动构建人类命运共同体贡献更多中国智慧、中国方案、中国力量。
我们航天人积淀形成了探月的精神，就是追逐梦想、勇于探索、协同攻坚、合作共赢。总书记对探月工程的关心支持，给了我们极大的动力。我们将以人类命运共同体的理念，指导我们月球探测的国际合作。